Create a YouTube intro in After Effects with a handwritten stroke effect. First, we will not use the pen tool for tracing the text in this effect. Instead, we'll use Adobe Illustrator for a professional stroke effect. Type your text in Illustrator and choose a handwritten font of your choice. For this example, I'm using the Flirt script font. Select the text layer. Go to Object Rasterize and click OK. Open the drop-down menu in Image Trace, select Line Art, and click Expand. Your text layer is now converted into shapes and ready to be transferred. Step 2. Importing to After Effects. Copy the text layer in Illustrator. In After Effects, create a new shape layer, New Shape Layer. Open the shape layer, click Add, and select Stroke. Click on the Stroke property. Then paste the Illustrator shapes using Ctrl+V, Windows, or Command+V, Mac. Adjust the size of the text layer as needed using Scale. Step 3. Masking and Animating. Open the Mask settings, and you'll see each letter connected with a separate color mask. Arrange each mask by its color to follow the stroke trace in the composition. Step 1. Designing the text in Adobe Illustrator. Go to Effect Generate Stroke. Enable the All Masks checkbox and set the brush size as per your preference, e.g. 10. In the Effects Control panel, animate the End property. Set the End keyframe to 0%. Move 5 frames forward in the timeline and set it to 100%. Select the keyframes, press F9 for easy ease, and adjust the graph for smoother animation flow. Duplicate the shape layer and offset the timing slightly for a layered animation. Step 4. Adding a gradient. Create a new solid layer, New Solid, and name it Gradient. Go to Effect Generate 4. Color Gradient. Select the colors of your choice. And position the gradient points to create a custom blend. Place the gradient layer between the shape layers. Set the track matte of the top shape layer to Luma Matte. Step 5. Adding an outer stroke. Select the pen tool, set the fill to none, and stroke to a solid white color. Choose a stroke size to your preference. Draw a path using the pen tool. In the shape layer, go to Content Shape 1 Stroke and increase the taper to 100. Click Add and select Trim Path. Adjust the start and end properties of the trim path to 0%. Move forward a few frames in the timeline and set both values to 100%. Offset the start keyframe slightly for a trailing effect. Select all keyframes, press F9, and adjust the graph for smoother speed and flow. Offset the timing slightly for a layered animation. Step 6. Final touches. Repeat the outer stroke steps for additional text layers if needed. Apply the deep glow effect to your text layer for a glowing finish. And that's it. You've created an awesome handwritten stroke effect for your YouTube intro.